Assalamu alaikum, my dear. How was your day at school?
Wa alaikum assalam, Mum. It was great. We learned about cleanliness today.
That's wonderful. Cleanliness is very important in Islam. Do you know why?
Yes, our teacher said it's good for our health and makes us feel happy.
Absolutely. In Islam, cleanliness is part of our faith. The Prophet Muhammad said, cleanliness is half of faith. Keeping ourselves and our surroundings clean is a way to please Allah.
Wow, I didn't know that. How can I help keep our home clean?
There are many ways you can help. For example, you can start by picking up your toys after playing. This keeps your room tidy and safe.
I will try to make my bed every day. What about personal hygiene?
Personal hygiene is very important. Always wash your hands before eating and after using the bathroom. The Prophet Muhammad taught us to wash our hands frequently to stay clean and healthy.
I will remember that. What else can I do to help at home?
You can help set the table for meals and clean up afterwards. It's a small task, but it makes a big difference. Also, helping with laundry by folding clothes and putting them away is a great way to keep things organized.
That sounds like fun. Can we make cleaning more enjoyable?
Of course, we can turn cleaning into a game. We can set a timer and see how much we can clean before it goes off. We can also sing our favorite songs while cleaning. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, always encouraged us to do good deeds with a cheerful heart.
I like that idea. I will try to help more with cleaning.
I am so proud of you, my dear. Remember, keeping clean is not just about our surroundings but also about our hearts and minds. When we keep clean, we are following the teachings of Islam and showing our love for Allah.
Thank you, Mum. I will do my best to keep clean and help around the house.
You're welcome, my dear. May Allah bless you and guide you always. Ameen.